them like this, you're gonna cut yourself, right?
So my fingers like
And
this?
fingers not like. Nina. Hi, this is my goddaughter Sofia,
Hi.
and we're going to make what?
We're going to now make healthy chicken pasta.
Okay, so first we have chicken thighs, and we're going to use whole grain spaghetti pasta, right? So for the sauce, we're going to get your knife. We're going to chop up some garlic. The garlic, you crush it like this first. Yes. Hand on top, and you just go like this.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Chop all of that. Okay, when you do that, hold the knife. You know how you went like this? You're gonna cut yourself. Get the knife from the top to the bottom,
Okay.
right? The bottom is going to cut you. Don't go like this.
Okay.
From the top to the bottom. Keep chopping it, that's not fine. And then just put the garlic in here. Okay, and now the onion, right? As we already know, we leave the root so the onion doesn't fall apart. Peel the first layer.
Okay.
Okay. Here. Okay. Hold on. You're gonna first cut it like this,
Okay.
all the way. Your fingers like this. If you put them like this, you're gonna cut yourself, right?
So my fingers like
And
this?
fingers not like that. If you hold it like that, you're gonna cut yourself. And the fingers don't go back like this, curl in. And you're gonna cut it like that. Just slice all the way back, but you're not cutting this.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. While she's doing that, I'm going to boil the pasta. We're going to make 4 portions. So this bag is 8 portions, so about half. I already have some boiling water with salt over in the stove. Hey, Italians! Now this way. Again, the fingers inside and like this, right?
Okay.
So you get like these little squares.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Curl your fingers inside, like that. Okay, put the onions in the bowl. And we're gonna use some Siracha sauce for spice, because everything is better with spice, right? So just eyeball it. That's about 1/4 cup, and we're gonna use some honey, about 1/4 cup as well, which is pretty much that. So just put all of it in there.
All of it?
Now we're going to add some pepper, black pepper, about 1 tablespoon maybe, because 4 portions is quite a bit. The other way.
Oh.
Oh. Keep going.
Ahí?
No,
Oh, okay.
1 tablespoon, that's a lot. No, I mean 1 tablespoon is a lot of pepper.
Oh, okay.
And some salt. About 1 tablespoon as well. Now we're gonna dice the chicken. Since we're making 4 portions, right? And each portion is 4 ounces. 4 times 4? 16 ounces. We get a handy scale. 12. That's about it. And this we're gonna freeze and save it for later. Chicken breast, and I always say this in the videos, I like to take this fat off, right? As much fat as you can. It's not a whole lot, and be careful with your fingers. But I like to take the extra fat off, right? A little bit healthier.
Yeah.
And do you wanna eat this?
No.
So why leave it, right? So just take as much fat as you can with your chicken. Hold it with your hands, don't be weird. You don't need gloves, you need clean hands and no weird nails. And take as much fat as you can. If you take a little bit of meat off, it's okay. We're gonna feed it to the dogs, but don't take a whole lot. We gotta eat the chicken. Be careful with your fingers, please.
Yes.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna dice it. Are you looking?
Mm-hmm.
Flip it the other way. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but still. We're gonna cut it like this, strips,
Okay.
about 1/2 inch.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Flip it around and cut them in little squares like this.
Okay.
Yes? Okay, go ahead. Despacito, no tienes que hacerlo rápido. While she's still doing that, I'm gonna drain the pasta. It's already cooked. About 10 minutes. Remember, just taste it. And if it's al dente, it's cooked with a little bit of bite to it, then it's good. Okay, so get the chicken in there. I already washed my hands. She hasn't because she's gonna toss the chicken. Get the chicken in there. And mix it well. A little nice massage. All the spices, all the Siracha sauce, all the honey in there. Con ganas, no la hagas como tu nina, con ganas. Así. Once it's mixed well, you're supposed to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes to 30 minutes to marinate. That would be better, but we're just gonna cook it right now, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, we're just gonna go to the stove and we're gonna cook it up. Okay, poquito olive oil.
¿Así?
Poquito más y en todo, no nomás en unos que. Así ya, así ya. Vamos, pollo. Y echar el pollo. Todo, con toda la cebolla y todo el sabor.
¿Así?
Sí, está bueno. Y ya nada más mezclale bien para que todo se empiece a cocinar. Eso no, el mango no está caliente. El mango no está caliente.
¿Me lo puedes poner más por acá? Por favor. Gracias.
¿Así? Se me hace que va a quedar rico. Cocinado like 15 minutes. Y se le remueve más o menos cada 5 minutos. Pero se tiene que dejar cocinar.
Okay.
Okay, now that the chicken is cooked, we're just gonna add the pasta.
Do I mix it? Okay.
And we're gonna cook it for about another 5 minutes so the pasta and the chicken, they get to know each other. The flavors get combined. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's try it to see how it tastes. Take the pasta and taste the chicken.
Okay. ¡Ay! ¡Me estoy quemando!
It's kind of good, but it's missing a lot of flavor. To me.
Sí.
So, add some Siracha in it.
¿Cómo lo hago? Oh, es que yo no lo podía abrir.
A little bit more.
¿Así?
Yeah. Then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Put a little bit of the pepper as well. That's good.
Okay.
We're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil. It's Siracha, kind of Asian-y, I guess. So we'll see. This is very strong actually. So just a tiny little bit because it is very strong.
Okay.
Just a little bit like that. A couple of drops. Mix it up again before adding the soy sauce because the soy sauce is very salty.
Es que...
Why you hold it like that in such a weird way? Like this, you're holding it like this. Hold it like this. You know?
Es que se me va a caer.
It happens. But anyways. Let's try it again. Let's see what happens. It is hot. Okay, okay. Maybe it does need the soy sauce. Try it!
Está caliente.
Just get the chicken. I still think it needs a little bit of salt. So we're gonna add soy sauce. Soy sauce is salt,
Yeah.
but you know, Asian. But just a little bit though, not a whole lot. We don't want to salt it.
Do I mix it again?
Uh-huh. And that should be good. After that, it should be good. You see, you're holding it again like this.
¿Así?
Uh-huh. You are so weird. Okay. Okay, let's try it one last time. No? Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now just plate it up. Wanna go? So now we're just gonna plate it up. Four equal portions, equal as much as you can. The same amount of pasta, the same amount of chicken. You know what I mean? So now just one plate just pasta and the other plate just chicken. All of them kind of the same.
Can I like first do the four and then like go back to them?
Go do whatever you want. Just try to get in as much as close as possible. Same pasta, same chicken. And same amount.
Okay, so this is I'm sorry. So this is a chicken and pasta. It's really sweet, but it's really good and tasty. And I feel like today I mostly learned how to cut without cutting myself, and actually like learning how to cook properly. Pero I think that's it, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.